Alright, I got the Lairtte Minimalist top-up card wallet. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. And this thing came really nice, nicely packaged in a nice box, wrapped in a really nice, felty feeling bag. They did a good job on the presentation. So I got the black leather one, the Crazy Horse pattern. It is definitely a good quality black leather. It's definitely a minimalist wallet. It's a front pocket type wallet. I wear shorts all the time, so this is going to be perfect for shorts. For me, anyway. And just to show you this compared to a normal sized wallet, you can get a good idea right there. It's pretty close, a little bit, obviously a little bit smaller, and definitely good for the front pocket. So stitching looks great. The black leather looks great. It's got a nice little magnetic thing on here, so it kind of locks everything down. It's got RFID protection on here because you can put credit cards in here. So we got the little pocket in the front for your driver's license. On the back side of it, we also have another card slot here, which I've got my casino card in there. So there's that slot. If you open it up, we have a slot here, and we have two slots on the inside you can put money into if you want to, or other cards. There seems to be plenty of room. Let me see how many cards I can stuck in there. I can get 3 cards in each side here, no problem. And let's see if it closes. I got to close it. So maybe a 2 and 2 is better on that side. One of the main features that I like on this is that you can use this credit card pop-up device. It's got this compartment here that says it'll hold up to 5 cards, but I was actually able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was actually able to get 7 cards in there. And let me show you. Just load them in, snap it into place. You got the little lever on the side, pop it up, and there they are. 7 cards. How about that? Loads them up real nice. I like that. So this is pretty awesome. This would be a great travel wallet. I like to go to Vegas and go to the casinos. I can put all my casino cards in here, pop them up. How about that? If you're looking for a nice looking leather, black leather, minimalist wallet with RFID protection and a credit card pop-up slot, spot for your driver's license, a couple other cards in there, magnetic RFID protection, check out this one by Lairtte. Check it out.